This is the Kaba kick cylinder that I got off of Amazon or eBay. When it came, it had it had standard pins and one T pin. But in the package with it was a bag of security pins serrated in spools, and I of course left the anti-bump T pin in it, but I did put the security pins in. Oh, well, it would help if I what's going on here? What is going on here? There we go. And but I said, you know, when I got it open with the security pins in it, that I would come back and do another video of it with the security pins. So I'm gonna try that now. This one's not exactly easy still. So I'm gonna use 40 thousandths Peterson pry bar and the Jimmy Long's deep hook. So nothing on one, nothing on two. Maybe no, three. So number four. Couple of clicks out of number four, I think. Alright, now I gotta click out of six, I believe. Alright. A little something out of two. Now I gotta find. Alright, let's see. So one's fairly high, so I'm just gonna switch to a shorter hook. Okay. I believe number one is set. Got a little bit of a false set out of it. So switch back to the deep hook. Nothing on two. Doesn't feel like nothing on three, 4, 5. More 6. I don't know. Maybe one's not up high enough. One must not be up. So 1, 2, alright. I'm just checking to see if anything needs to go up just a little higher. And something just fell down. can figure it out. Two, three, nothing on 6. All right. Okay. I'm pretty sure number 1's set. Two. Yeah, something's not. 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is set. Yeah, I don't know what I'm stuck on, but reset something or drop a little tension and we try to reset. That's on 2. Try this again. There, okay. Well, it's not open, but oh, there we go. It is open. All right. So that's the Kaba kick cylinder with the security pins in it. Sorry for the long video again. I believe it was 3 serrated and 2 spools plus the anti-bump T-pin.